Okay, this is the lesson of Unit 5, Week 2 on phonics. And the sound we're working with this week is the sound. This with the R controlled sound. Here, the R controls the vowel. It takes over and it says Many times when you've written a word, you've tried to write it with just the R. But it has to have a vowel with it. We found out every word has to have a vowel. So the R takes over and makes the sound like you see the angry face here going So think of that when you look at the letters. And these are the spellings: I-R, U-R, E-R. And we're also looking at O-R. O-R when we have a W in front of it, like in the word work that we have for spelling this week, or our high frequency word, work. So the W takes over and has the O-R to say Usually O-R says or. Here it will say Okay, we're going to look at a sorting game that you do sometimes in class, and when you're doing group work. And we're going to sort these words according to whether they have the OR sound as in horse, ER as in flower, or the UR as in nurse. Okay, first word we have here is storm. So storm has the OR sound as in horse. So that says storm. Here the word doesn't start with a W. It just has OR, and OR says OR. Next word that we have is, get a hold of it, fern. We have the sound as in flower. Next word is thorn. And here again we have the OR that says or. So we'll put it up here with the one that sounds like horse. Next word is cord. And here we have the OR sound as in horse. Next one, I didn't get my cards mixed up very well. We have or north, and again the OR sound as in a horse. Next word is sport. Sports, again the OR sound. And the next word is fort. E. Remember the E at the end of the word, the Y that says E at the end of the word, 40. Also that has the OR sound. Then we have burn. Here we have the sound, burn, and as in nurse. Next one we have clerk. We have the sound as in flower, where it's spelled ER. Here we have one of our spelling words, her, and we have the ER sound as in flower. Here we have the word surf, and we have the UR as in nurse. Here we have fur, we have the UR as in nurse. Here we have curb, and we have a UR as in nurse. Here we have purse, and again the UR as in nurse. Curl, and the UR as in nurse. Verb, we have the ER as in flower. And term, we have the ER as in flower. And the last one, germ, and we have the ER as in flower. Remember the G here has a soft sound, J, because it's followed by the E. Okay, and those are the phonics words. Let's look at your red workbook, the U-turn book. And we're looking on page 231. Okay, circle the word that completes the sentence, then write the word. Okay, the first one is the bag bird is in the nest. Okay, a bag could be in the nest. It could have flown up there, but what would you usually see in a nest? A bird. And remember to write neatly. Remember to make a whole circle. Remember the dot goes up here and it's just a dot, not a blob. Remember that R has a stick on it and a hook. And the D is a whole circle with the stick. Okay, next one. The bird will eat the wave worm. Here, W makes that say wave or worm. The bird will eat the worm. He can't eat a wave, can he? Remember, your W and your A and your V and your E are all short letters, so they stay below the dotted line. Oh, and I wrote wave instead of worm, didn't I? Wasn't even thinking. So I need to go back, and my eraser does not erase well. Okay. See, we often make mistakes when we're not paying attention. So we have to go back and check our work to make sure we did it correctly. Okay. Now, Nan, hut, Nan, hurt. Nan hurt her foot, Nan hurt her foot. And of course, it's going to be hurt. Okay, the next one. I won first. I won fish place. I won first place. I won fish place. Well, of course, it's going to be first. Okay, and then the last one. He gave a gift to her. He gave a gift to our harp. So he gave a gift to her. Maybe the harp was the gift, but we want what makes sense in the sentence. So her. Okay, and that finishes our phonics lesson for today. Thank you.